Hey, so normally I don't do videos like this, but I figured it'd be kind of cool to do something behind the scenes so y'all can actually see the process of creating a styled photo or just content in general, testing things out so that they can be foolproof and then you can recreate it, especially with the holidays coming up. So I kind of wanted to give y'all like just behind the scenes of the process of it all, of what goes into that perfect photo or that blog post, or maybe even that YouTube video. So y'all stay tuned. I'm here at my parents' house and I am going to be making a cake because I got a brand new bundt pan. This, y'all can't tell me this isn't gorgeous. This is amazing. So I'm gonna make a bundt cake. And I have a couple of recipes I want to try. I haven't decided what I want to use just yet, but I'm going to make that. And then also a square pan. Tomorrow, I'm meeting up with Jacqueline with Tudor House Cookies, and she's going to basically teach me and help guide me on decorating a cake and just like making it, you know, Instagram worthy, making it social media acceptable, which honestly, anything you can post on social media now, it doesn't matter. I do the bundt pan, and then we're gonna also do a square cake pan, rectangular cake pan. I have cake pan. I just want to hop on here and kind of give you a behind the scenes of just the entire process when you're like prepping for photos and content and whatnot, and the process of it all. The ring light in the kitchen, and this is a very much semi-homemade cake. So I'm gonna doctor it up. Instead of vegetable oil, we're using butter, melted butter, milk or heavy cream substitute. You can add in the pudding packaging depending on what flavor your cake is, and then also another secret ingredient, sour cream. Don't mind me while I'm looking up. I don't necessarily like to like stare in the camera because I mean it's like I'm looking at you, right? But I'm just thinking, so if it looks like I'm off looking somewhere, I'm just in my mind thinking. Let's get started. Take a break, y'all. I mean, I know it was really quick, like making batter, but I don't know, I'm just being lazy and I just want to sit and chill. Lola is currently outside hunting, hence the barking. All right, back to baking. That's in the oven for 35 minutes. I think for a bundt pan, you gotta wait like 38 to 42 minutes or something like that. So I just put a timer at 35 minutes. And I'm pretty sure I probably put too much batter in the pan. I just hope it doesn't spill over, but if it does, I can just cut off the excess. Once that comes out, I'll let it cool. I don't know if I'm supposed to let it cool in the pan or outside of the pan, so I'm gonna figure that out. I do have a couple of baking racks, and I will do that because tomorrow I'm meeting, like I said, with Jacqueline, and we'll do the decorating and all that. But I do have some batter left over, so I'm gonna do a square pan, or maybe even a loaf. That would be cute. Two-tone loaf or something. I have no idea. I just need to use the rest of the batter. So, I don't know. We'll see what I can do. It smells good. It looks so pretty in person. I think it's gonna photograph well, so hopefully y'all can actually see the detail. But I think half the battle of making stuff look really pretty is getting the correct design. Like obviously investing in a really cool bundt pan, and I will leave a link below on where to purchase this. But I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to let this cool. We'll do the decorating and all of that and style it out. It just came out beautiful. It helps with presentation. That's the key. You can have a simple recipe, but if you display it well, like I always say, you eat with your eyes first, right? It's an experience. The cake might be simple, recipe might be simple, but the presentation and the display of it is key. Okay, I might just be biased because I'm excited about the pan, but I don't know. Y'all let me know. Channel. This is gonna be like an actual behind the scenes. Your head is cut off. But
leave it open, or should I button it? Because it's too tight. It's too. There's too much to button it up.
This is Jacqueline.
Hello.
With
Tudor House Cookies.
And why did you come up with that name?
Because I live in a Tudor style house and I am a cottage food baker, so I bake out of my house.
You are a...
I'm a baker, but I specialize in decorated sugar cookies.
And I think my favorite cookie,
I know what your favorite cookie is.
It's the brown butter chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, really? That's not what I thought you were gonna say.
What did you think I was gonna say?
I thought you were just gonna say the regular brown butter snickerdoodle.
Well, those are good, but the ones that you made for my birthday,
yeah,
gone. Like I literally had. You remember I was eating. I probably had 4 when you handed them to me. Just driving home.
Yeah,
I was eating them.
I think you definitely had at least 1 or 2 at the table.
So good. I really like that. But chocolate chip cookies are my favorite cookies. And then when you mix them with the brown butter.
A brown butter makes everything better.
Who are you telling? Okay, so what are we doing? You're helping me.
So I'm helping you. We are going to make a glaze for this beautiful bundt cake that you've made.
I know. I'm so excited.
You did so good. Yeah. Like, look.
I think it's just the pan, though. I think the pan is what made it.
No. You did a good job.
Thank you.
You did a good job. So we have a marble bundt cake. The good thing about bundt cakes is that when you put that glaze on, then you can do like all kinds of different decorations. You can do like sprinkles, or you can color the glaze if you want to, but I think we should just keep it like really classic.
I like classic.
And just do like a vanilla glaze, and then maybe put some like gold something on there.
Yes.
All right.
How was that? It wasn't hard.
That wasn't too hard.
What do you think the most difficult part was?
Making the glaze go where we wanted it to go.
I feel like being perfectionist.
Yeah.
I think that's the hardest.
Yeah.
Especially with the gold leaf.
Yeah.
But it makes everything look better. Dipped in gold.
Always.
I think it looks good.
Yeah, I'm happy with it. I think it looks really cute. So classy. What's that TikTok song? Classy? Bougie. Bougie.
Ratchet.
Did I say bougie?
Bougie?
I can't even say.
How do you say bougie?
So we're gonna make a Christmas light cake.
Christmas light.
And we're gonna do some American buttercream. Then we're gonna color it and do some black for the string of the lights.
Are we doing sparkle lights?
We're doing what is sparkle? I don't know.
It's just.
We're gonna attempt
I don't know.
to make one of these candies work, and we're gonna place it as the lights.
So it has to be what?
So we are going to measure out 340 grams of sifted powdered sugar. Oh no. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Oh! No. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. But it was so cute.
I think it was very cute.
It's so cute.
Yeah. So I'll do a video at the end so y'all can see, obviously. Well, we'll style out. This is just a portion because yesterday I was talking. I was like, and then tomorrow I'm going to go to Jacqueline's house. That's what I kept saying. Like in a very TV type of,
Like, yeah, that's okay.
Anyways.
The people know.
So I'm here and I'm about to leave. We decorated. Well, she decorated and I just watched.
You helped?
I taste
You made all the
tested.
You made the cakes.
I did. You're right.
She did a great job.
Thank you. But we'll probably do a part 2 for New Year's.
Oh yeah, we already have ideas.
So, yep. Okay. Next, moving on. Bye.